On the ICU floor at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta, a drug trial for a potential lifesaver.
This is remdesivir versus placebo for one of our patients.
Doctors prescribing remdesivir delivered in IV form to patients sick with COVID-19. The Emory trial is one of the largest in the world. Infectious disease expert Dr. Anish Mehta is the chief investigator.
What we're searching for are medications that will help people get over the infection more rapidly and allow their immune systems to really kick in and knock the virus out of their body.
Remdesivir was originally tested to treat Ebola patients, but early results suggest it could be far more effective in treating COVID-19. It's a double-blind NIH study, meaning patients and doctors don't know who gets a placebo.
What we have seen is lots of patients recovering. Whether that's because they're getting a study drug or a placebo, we don't know.
In Washington state, ICU doctors did give remdesivir to Chris Kane as he struggled to breathe.
I mean, within 48 hours, I was feeling a lot better.
We're just so thankful. And then to get him on this drug so quickly was just an absolute godsend.
Now, researchers could be just 2 to 3 weeks away from a major breakthrough, determining whether remdesivir should be the go-to treatment in hospitals. Meanwhile, doctors are increasingly cautious about an unproven treatment touted by President Trump, hydroxychloroquine combined with an antibiotic. Researchers in Brazil canceled a small chloroquine study after some patients developed cardiac arrhythmias and even died. But back at Emory, some COVID patients are insisting on getting what they heard President Trump talk up.
And they say, I don't want an experimental drug. I want the drug on the news.
If approved, drug maker Gilead says it could have enough remdesivir to treat 140,000 people immediately and 500,000 by October.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.